Now that you know a little bit about Steemit, why should you use it? Well, one of the biggest reasons is that you get paid to post content, and you also get paid to upvote other people's content. And the higher the value of the Steem currency, the more you're going to earn. And you also get paid in cryptocurrency. Now, you may or not care about getting paid in cryptocurrency, but there are a lot of people that do prefer cryptocurrency just because there's no government or central agency that can control or set regulations on cryptocurrency. And just like cryptocurrency, the Steemit website is decentralized. Okay, and your content is not censored. So, unlike Google, Facebook, YouTube, and probably other social media websites, you don't have to worry about censorship. I'm sure you've heard by now that these big social media websites are censoring people's content, whether it be because somebody in the higher level management decided to, or maybe because they're being told by the government what type of content to censor. And there's also a lot of content on Steemit that you just won't find anywhere else.